I'm shooting a video, by the way. Do you mind? Willie, everybody. Will, you remember him from my Nova Scotia trip last year? There we go, introductions. So that's the new ride, eh?
Yep, that's a new one. Having a blast. I'm loving it.
Fucking nice bike, man. Unfortunately, I dropped my helmet and my my GoPro mount broke. So I had to take a few pieces off and stick what was left up on top of my helmet. Guess I'm going to be on eBay pretty soon. Oh, go over here. If I can't, I'll just turn around. Ooh, that's soft. Damn it. It's got a gate. Oh, with a path beside it. Excellent. Okay, let's hit her back in the North Bay. I'm happy. I found it. I would have rather been sunny when I got there so you could really see down in the water, but what are you gonna do? Take it and like it. What are my GoPros doing up on top of my helmet? Yeah, it's still there. You can notice the difference with it up there too. Holy shit. When I first got my GoPro, that's the very first place I put it. You can really feel the wind. It really wants to yank your head back. With on the side, it's actually not too bad. Now going down that trail till I get my new tire. My luck, I'll go down there with this tire and I'll be friggin' stuck pushing the damn thing. Should've took the friggin' bush trail. Shit. Was I thinking? Wonder. If I hop on the trail here, how far down can I go? Let's find out. There used to be a bike shop there years ago. I actually did a co-op placement when I was in high school. I used to work on motorcycles and snowmobiles and four-wheelers, three-wheelers, all kinds of stuff in that place. Wasn't a big fan of that place. It's fun doing it on your own time, but when you're forced to work on it, you know, it took all the enjoyment out of it. Personally, that's the way I feel about it. But I don't know. I like doing it, but being made to do it sucks. Takes all the fun out of it. Now, is there a path here? There it is. Sweet. Oy. Okay. It's not deep. That's good. Now I got my holidays are coming up, man. My vacation. Can't wait. Oh my god, I can't. Wait. Oh, I'm not going through that. Ew. Yeah, no, I'm not that energetic today. Screw that. Maybe I had the four-wheeler. Yeah, no, that's not. Oh yeah, I got my work boots on too. That wouldn't be cool. Got my work boots all friggin' dirtied up. Screw that. You know what? I should order another pair of boots. Oop, saw sand. Order another pair of boots. I don't have to worry about these ones anymore. Yeah, that's what I will do. Son of a bitch, got a mosquito bite me in my helmet. Ow. Ooh, a lawn tractor. It's nice coming out. You know, I gotta do more of this friggin' bush riding. Or exploring type riding, whatever you want to call it. Gotta do a lot more of this. It's nice and relaxing. Nice to come out, see what the hell is out and about. But first I need my tire. I'm shooting a video, by the way. Do you mind? Willie, everybody. Will, you remember him from my Nova Scotia trip last year? There we go, introductions. So that's the new ride, eh?
Yep, that's a new one. Magna Black. I'm loving it.
Fucking nice bike, man. Look at this, eh? I left the house, it was sunny, it was hot. Now the freaking cloud coming over. Dark and no rain. I love them H2s, man. Oh, look at all the friggin' fun vehicles coming by.
I like it. I like it better when I got my own seat on.
Cool, man.
Yeah,
See ya. Yeah, last year Will and I, we took my stepdad's truck to Nova Scotia. It was a good time, man. Put a lot of kilometers on there. That was friggin', it was a good trip. 4-wheelers, 3-wheeler. Another 3-wheeler. Holy shit. Ooh, wait. I know where I could go. Let's take the back way. I did a video of this place last year when I had my Jeep. Rode it over a bridge. A really tall train bridge. I gotta watch my speed back here. There's always a cop hiding up here on the right. Right in here. There's always a cop in there. Other than today. And there's the college. Well, so much trees now you can't even see it. Not a bad thing. There we go. There's the college. It's Canadore College and Nipissing University. I'm not too keen on this camera angle though. I prefer the camera sitting to the side of my helmet because you get more of a, you know, like you're riding the bike kind of feeling. The way it is now, you're seeing is probably the top of my helmet and road. Personally, I don't find that as cool to look at, but maybe that's just me. What do you think, guys? Do you prefer the side view or the top of the helmet view? Which one do you prefer to look at? I'm gonna cut through the hospital. Willie wave, Willie wave, Willie. Oh, damn it! Last minute. As y'all know, I hate waving. That guy probably didn't see me wave, so he probably thinks I'm a douchebag. But small price to pay. So I think I cut it out of one of my first videos I did. I used to work here. I worked here last year. I worked here for about a year and a half, I guess. And I was the TV guy. You call me, take payment, set up your TV and your phone. And I'd have to fix it all the time too. Let me tell you, man, people are not gentle with the equipment. Let me tell you that. Stretching the shit out of the cords all the time. Oh, just wrecking the stuff, man. Friggin' bugs. Got one right in the friggin' under the goggle. So yeah, that's where I used to work. From that door to the other door is a kilometer. Personally, I think they designed that place wrong. You want to save man hours? Build it straight up and down. I mean, if you're at one end of the building, you got to walk a kilometer to get to the other end of the building. How much time have you killed? You killed a lot of time there when you could have just taken an elevator, gone straight up, and been right there. You know what I mean? But again, maybe that's just me. Now, I wonder if I can still get through here. Yep. Let's go for a ride. Years ago, we used to come in here. We'd play speedball. Paintball? There's a... Fuck, just drove through a bunch of garbage. What was no nails in it? There's a bridge up here, the car bridge. Well, we'd go underneath the bridge. And there's so many pillars under there, we'd use them for like bunkers, right? So we'd start at either end of the bridge. And we'd play speedball. It's pretty cool. Oh, look at all the graffiti under here, eh? Pretty good. Holy jeez, is this ever grown in? A lot of bugs. Alright. Oh, this will be fun to turn around on. Shit. I didn't think of that one. Oh crap. Ah, that's gonna be freaking interesting. It's gonna want to fall in between the freaking ruts. Shit. Ah. Way to go, Rex. Crap. What if I get across that? I'll turn. No, I can't. Shit. Shit. Way to go, Rex, you dumbass. Well, let's shut her off. Let's see how I'm going to figure this one out. And unless I fail miserably, maybe I'll show you. If I fail just a little bit, well, I'll skip that out. Yeah, shit. There we go. Oh, you know what? Let's walk so far. Okay, I did make it. That's probably why you're saying to yourself, Rex, why are you out of breath? It took me a little bit of jimmying around, and it's so damn humid right now. I got all my gear on, I got his helmet on, and I got her. Didn't have a full face helmet on right now, I'd spit. Alright, well, let's get back to the bike. Let's get back into North Bay. Yeah, you see the size of those friggin' holes? Yeah, I had to jimmy the bike around over there. It was like this area, but I had to jimmy it around so I didn't friggin' lose my wheel in those holes. Bit of a challenge, but we did her. Alright, let's go home. Yep, yep. Ping. This shit's loose. Oh, Jesus. Ah, my face is crawling with little bugs. Ooh, gotta stop, gotta stop. Ugh. Oh, that's bad. Oh, God. Ugh. Alright, let's try to... Cool eye. Some people that came down here got some pretty good talent, man.